up, everybody? This is the 4-box limited break. We will start in about a minute or two. Pretty good, man. How you doing, Richard? All right, guys, let's do this. 4 boxes. Good luck. Daniel Jones has been a hot guy for us for limited. We hit a bunch of Daniel Jones. Let's see if we continue to hit the old Daniel Jones. Oh, got a redemption starting off. Ralph, how you doing, man? We are starting off with the redemption. Rookie patch gold auto. Denver Broncos, Drew Lock. Richard, I will do my best. I will do my best, my friend. Yeah, Frank, I appreciate it. Any questions in the group, just let me know. Zach Allen, 199 Cardinals. All the hits are up top. Christian Kirk at a 99 Cardinals. Tyreek Hill, 99 Chiefs. Titans. He wants a Titan. These look like the regular cards. Got Minnesota 249, Irv Smith Jr. Well, top loader. None of these top loaders want to work. What the hell? Cleveland Browns at a 10, Ozzie Newsome. Browns at a 10, Ozzie Newsome. Is anybody else having issues? Looks fine on my end. Richardson out of 15, Redskins. Rashad Penny out of 99, Seahawks. I mean, it is possible. Sometimes I do have issues, but it looks clear to me. Two left, guys. Two boxes. Ravens, 75, Miles Boykin. Why these top loaders do not want to work? Well, yeah, Ralph, that's the only problem. I think we got another redemption. Rookie patch autos. Raiders. Hunter Renfrow, Oakland Raiders. Baker Mayfield. Green 99 Bengals. Giants 199 Slayton. One box. One final box. Once again, thank you guys that are new. If you have questions, let me know. Be sure to check out the files in the group. There's a lot of details on how we run things. Chargers 249 Easton Stick. LA Chargers. Buffalo Bills, Sean Joseph 199. Buffalo Bills. Last final pack, guys. Last pack. Dalton 99 Bengals. Mason Rudolph 25 Steelers. So let's do a little recap. Got Andy Dalton 99 Bengals. Bengals green 99. Tyreek Hill Chiefs 99. Drew Lock Broncos. Rudolph 25 Steelers. Joseph 199 Bills. Stick 249 Chargers. Giants 199 Slayton. Renfro Raiders. Boykin 75 Ravens. Richardson 15 Redskins. Penny 99 Seahawks. Newsome 10 Browns. Smith 249 Vikings. Kirk 99 Cardinals. And Allen 199 Cardinals. So that's going to do it, guys. Once again, thank you all as always, and hope to see you soon.